Imagine waking up tomorrow with a mind that's clear, focused, and calm like a still lake, undisturbed by storms. No racing thoughts, no overthinking, no anxiety, just presence, control, peace. Sounds impossible, it's not. The truth is, your mind is a tool, but most people let it control them instead of mastering it. Meditation is the key to flipping that script. But listen, this isn't just another boring, vague meditation guide. This is your ultimate blueprint. A step-by-step breakdown to calm your mind, sharpen your focus, and elevate your mental state every single day. If you're serious about rewiring your mind for peace, you need to watch this all the way through. Miss one step, and you'll stay stuck in that mental chaos. Let's lock in. -1. Why your mind feels so loud. First, understand this. Your mind is loud because you've been feeding it noise. Every day you wake up and flood your brain with social media, endless notifications, constant scrolling. Overstimulation. Your brain is on a hamster wheel, constantly processing, reacting, thinking, and then you wonder why you can't focus, why you're anxious, why your sleep sucks. Meditation is the antidote, but to calm the mind, you have to first understand why it's loud. You've never given it a break. Today, that changes. Stay with me, because next, I'm giving you the foundation to start rewiring your brain. -2. The foundation of meditation, the breath. Your breath is your anchor. When your mind is racing, your breath is shallow, rapid, unstable. But when you control the breath, you control the mind. Here's the first practice. Step 1. Sit comfortably. You can sit on a chair, the floor, or cushion, doesn't matter. Just keep your spine straight. Step 2. Close your eyes gently. Don't squeeze them shut, just softly closed. Step 3. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for 4 seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this for 10 breaths. As you breathe, your mind will wander. That's normal. When it does, gently bring it back to the breath. You're not trying to stop thoughts. You're simply returning your focus to the breath. Over and over. This is mental training. The more you return, the stronger your mind becomes. If this already feels like something you need, hit the like button right now and comment below. I choose calm. Let me know who's really about this. -3. The body scan technique. After the breath, we move into the body scan. Most of your mental stress is stored in your body without you realizing it. Tension in the jaw, shoulders, back, all signs of an anxious mind. The body scan rewires that connection between mind and body. Here's how to do it. After your 10 breaths, bring your attention to the top of your head. Slowly scan down your body, your forehead, eyes, jaw, neck. Notice any tension, any tightness. As you exhale, imagine the tension melting away. Move slowly from head to toe, forehead, jaw, shoulders, chest, stomach, hips, legs, feet. This takes about 5 to 10 minutes. But when you finish, your body feels lighter, your mind feels clearer. You've reconnected to your physical self. And that grounds the mind. -4. Labeling thoughts, the power of observation. Most people get frustrated during meditation because their mind won't stay quiet. But here's the trick. You don't fight the thoughts, you observe them. Whenever a thought arises, simply label it. Ah, that's a worry, that's a memory, that's a plan. Once labeled, let it drift away like a cloud floating by. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. This labeling practice teaches your mind not to get stuck in stories, not to chase every random thought. It teaches detachment, and the more detached you are, the calmer your mind becomes, because you've trained it to stop latching onto every passing idea. -5. The mantra method. Focus through repetition. For some, focusing on the breath isn't enough. That's where a mantra comes in. A mantra is simply a word or phrase you repeat silently in your mind to anchor your focus. Here are examples. Calm, peace, I am here, let go. As you inhale, say the first part in your mind. As you exhale, finish it. Example, inhale, I am, exhale, calm. This repetition drowns out mental noise. It creates rhythm, stability. Try this for 10 minutes daily. You'll notice your mind becoming easier to control, even outside meditation. If you're getting value so far, subscribe to the channel right now. We're building mental strength together here, and I want you in this community. Section 6. Consistency is the secret. Meditation isn't magic, it's muscle building for the mind. If you want real calm, you have to practice consistently. Daily, not when you feel like it. Daily. Start with just 10 minutes a day. Set a timer, follow the breath. Scan the body, label thoughts, use a mantra, and do it every single day for the next 30 days. At first, it'll be messy. You'll get frustrated, but push through, because on the other side is clarity, peace, power. -7. Bonus meditation for sleep. If you struggle with sleep, meditation can reprogram your brain to rest. Here's a sleep meditation routine. 1. Lie down comfortably. 2. Deep breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. 3. Perform a quick body scan. Notice and release tension. 4. Visualize a peaceful place, a quiet beach, a forest, a calm lake. 5. As thoughts come, just watch them drift like leaves on water. 6. If your mind gets loud, return to your breath or mantra. Sleep comes to me. This practice slows your brainwaves, helping you transition into deep sleep. Try it tonight. Thank me in the comments when you sleep like a baby. Let's do a recap. The complete meditation process. 1. Breath work. Control the breath, control the mind. 2. Body scan. Release physical tension to calm mental noise. 3. Labeling thoughts. Observe without attachment. 4. Mantra. Anchor focus through repetition. 5. Consistency. Daily practice builds mental muscle. 6. Bonus. Use meditation to improve your sleep quality. This is the blueprint to a calmer mind, and the best part. The calm starts inside you. No apps, no devices, no gimmicks. If you're ready to truly master your mind, drop a comment below. I choose peace. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because mental mastery is a journey, and I'll be here guiding you every step of the way. This is the Calm Code, where we don't react, we observe, we stay calm. Until next time, stay sharp, stay peaceful, and stay dangerous.